God, there's a lot of guys in here. We gotta push up. We gotta push up though. You can't get me outside of the field. Okay. So, you guys point to the office. Hold the door. Your decoy. No. No! It hurts! Big one for the team, huh? Oh, that's a good idea. Wait, you want to move up? Anybody? You just don't have as much gear as I do. A little bit faster. Thanks. Mom. Dude, come on. What? Come on. Pussy. Watch out there.
Grab, there's on the top in the back.
Okay. Look out the window, see if you can see anybody.
Okay, yeah, there's one guy in that house.
They're crossed, they're crossed. Get ready to shoot. There's one downstairs there and one upstairs there.
Alright. Here with that. Ethan!
If we had more guys than one thing that hit you?
No.
Where was he?
He's in the downstairs.